I created my most viral video. This is the pepperoni pizza cooked in the Ooni Kodai 12. Stick around and find out how this pizza was made. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and if you could tell by the title of the video, I'm recreating one of my most popular videos. If you haven't seen the video that I'm talking about, I will link it above. I'll also link it down below in the description. Definitely check it out. Again, this was a super popular video that I have on my channel, still gaining some views on there. Me making a pepperoni pizza in the Koda 12. And a lot of people gave me so much about it because of how fast I was making it and just so much things. Check out the video. Like I said, it's down below in the description, or again linked above. And so with that said, I'm going to be busting out the Koda 12. It's kind of like more like a flashback video as well. And I'm gonna get a pizza cooked. I got my dough here that I took out of the freezer 24 hours ago. I've let it sit in the fridge overnight all day. Took it out maybe about an hour ago to kind of get to room temp. I got my cheese and my pepperoni. I got some Parmesan here and my Bianco di Napoli tomatoes. So let's go ahead and take a look at this oven. Like I said, it's the Ooni Kodai 12. It's been preheating now for about 45 minutes to an hour. We're looking at the bottom at about 950. So it is really hot. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down. As you can tell, Ooni Kodai 12 does have the knob in the back. So let's go ahead and let's get this turned on. I'm gonna leave my flip-flops on because of course, you know, that was also super popular in the video. People gave me crap about that. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna get some semolina on top here. And let's just get that flopped in there. And again, this dough is going to be really soft. Again, it's just some dough that I've had in the freezer, pulled it out. And I'm just going to get it stretched out nicely here. I don't know what that piece is. Get this air bubble. And so if you're made it this far, again, like, subscribe, comment down on my video, turn on that bell notification to be notified when I do make new videos. Again, I do try to post a weekly video as well as posting shorts on my channel as well, my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. And so I'm going to use, again, the old school pizza peel. I'm going to put some semolina down there. And this is a 12-inch peel. And I'm just gonna kind of get that on there like that. And we're gonna go ahead and move pretty quick because now again, the sauce is going on and your chances of sticking is highly. So we wanna go ahead and make sure that we're making it fast. Go down some parm. This is just some grated Parmesan that I have. Our mozzarella cheese. And a lot of people said that I didn't put enough cheese, so I'm gonna make sure that I have enough cheese here for everyone. And let's just get a little bit more. All right, and we're going down with our pepperonis. Again, a lot of people don't think that it's pepperonis, it's salami, you know, whatever. But let's just get a little bit more here. And one for the floor. All right, so let's get this stretched out just a little bit more here. All right, and we're gonna go straight into the oven. Again, this is the Ooni Kodai 12, been preheating now, again, like I said, for an hour. It is turned down. Now we're gonna go all the way in and straight down. All right, so the oven, let's go ahead and get that turned down. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure we grab our peel. And you could hear that it's cooking in there. So the cheese is melting, pepperoni is starting to get nice and crispy. And we're gonna get this heated up and we're gonna go straight in. And again, it does cook quick, so again, you do want to make sure that you are quick with it. And we're spinning it, and we're going back into the oven. And as you can see, there is the flame in the back, so again, you want to make sure that once you flip it, you're spinning it around, you're going to the other side. Take a look at this bottom. Bottom is cooking nice. And go ahead and let's get this other side here. Start cooking this other side. As you can see, it does cook really quick. Alright, get one last spin here. And again, it's just the one side that needs to finish, the bottom nice and cooking all the way through. Let's get this side just a little bit more here. So the bottom is cooked, so basically what I'm going to be doing is just kind of cooking the crust just a little bit more here. And just like that, I think we are good. So let's go ahead and get this inside. We're going to get this on the cooling rack. We're going to let this cool, and then we'll go ahead and we'll get a taste and cut into this, just like everyone wants to see. Alrighty, so we are back. Here is the pizza again, nice and cooked all the way around. Let's take a look at this bottom. Bottom is fully cooked, as you can see. So let's go ahead and let's cut into this. Let's get a slice here. Alright, let's take a look at that bottom again. Nice and cooked all the way through. Let's get a bite into this pizza. Yep. So good. So again, this was a recreation of my pizza that I made that went pretty viral. This was cooked in the Ooni Kodai 12 pepperoni pizza. Again, I will link that above as well as put that in the description down below. If you like my videos, check out my channel at The Pizza Guy John. Check out my Instagram at The Pizza Guy John. We'll connect there and we'll talk soon.